Hello everyone and welcome back to another product spotlight. Now today we are looking at the gold Luong, and if you're wondering what a Luong is, that's a great question because on first glance they do just look like one of our typical Ainslie 1 ounce bars. But gold Luong is a cast bar that actually weighs exactly 37.5 grams, which is just a little bit heavier than a 1 troy ounce bar at 1.2 ounces. Now here's a little bit of a size comparison here with the Luong on the left and the 1 ounce on the right. The Luong is just that little bit taller and a little bit thicker as well. So where do they sell these and where are they used? They're most popular in Asia, traditionally sold in Asian markets, as this is the most common standardized size and is used for most domestic gold transactions. We do have them in Australia though, and they are gradually becoming more popular. These Luong specifically are cast bars made locally, and each piece has a slightly unique surface pattern. If you are looking to expand your collection and purchase your own Luong, they are currently in stock in our Brisbane and Melbourne stores, and you can also buy them online at ainsliebullion.com.au, where, as always, you can continue to balance your wealth in an unbalanced world. We'll see you next week.